Okay guys, I replaced the knock sensor on the Hyundai Sonata 2014. I put the new one and this is the old one. I got the code P1326 engine flashing light. Okay, let's see if my car is fixed now or not. I spent almost 3 hours trying to fix this thing, or installing the new code. Let's see. No, the code P1326 probably still there because the engine is still flashing, and as you can see, when I accelerate, no power at all. So the scanner told me it is the knock sensor. I replaced it and it's still doing the same thing. So if you're trying to fix your car, think twice before spending like 2-3 hours trying to fix your car. Yeah, that's what I did. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. This time it didn't work for me, so I don't know what else to do. Probably I'm gonna take it to the dealer and see what's the problem. Maybe they figure it out. Yeah. All right guys, thanks for watching. I'm gonna keep you guys updated if the code or something or the engine light goes away. I'm gonna go drive it for a couple minutes and see.